The Extra debit card is a clever solution for anyone looking to build credit without the complications and risks of a traditional credit card. What makes it stand out is its ability to report your responsible spending habits to credit bureaus, specifically Equifax and Experian, just like a credit card would. Here's how it works. Extra gives you something called spend power, a line of credit based on the balance in your existing bank account. When you make a purchase with the card, Extra fronts the money and automatically pays itself back from your account. At the end of the month, those purchases are reported as credit-worthy payments, helping you build your credit history over time. It's simple, secure, and doesn't require a credit check or security deposit upfront, which is great for people with limited or damaged credit. Another attractive feature is the reward system. If you opt for the Rewards Plus Credit Building Plan, which costs $25 per month or $199 per year, you can earn up to 1% back in points on everyday purchases. These points can be redeemed for items in Extra's reward store, which includes things like AirPods and other goodies. For those focused purely on credit building, there's a more affordable plan at $20 per month, or $149 per year, which skips the rewards but still provides the foundational tools for improving your score. Both plans are interest-free, removing the stress of surprise costs, which traditional credit cards often pile on through high APRs. This subscription model feels more predictable since it's essentially a flat fee instead of revolving credit charges. The results speak for themselves. Members report an average credit score increase of 48 points, with some users managing an improvement of up to 99 points if they start with seriously low scores. As Extra points out, successful members, not maxing out their spend power and maintaining timely payments, are also more likely to qualify for things like mortgages, auto loans, or new credit cards down the line. For millions of Americans who either don't trust regular credit cards or can't qualify for them, Extra opens a door that's been shut to them for far too long. It's especially helpful if you want access to credit building tools but need a safer alternative to secured cards, which often require large deposits up front and tack on frustrating fees. Of course, Extra isn't perfect. While it's groundbreaking in combining debit and credit building functionality, there's no option for in-person international transactions, which limits its use for travelers. Additionally, you can't withdraw cash or transfer funds with the Extra card, so its utility is strictly tied to purchases. It's a debit card for spending, not for all-in-one banking tasks. The monthly or annual membership fee might also feel steep for some, especially since the card doesn't actually function as a credit card offering extensive purchasing power. Furthermore, the subscription cost can't be justified if you don't plan to be diligent about consistent spending and repayment. While Extra removes interest charges, you still need to have a healthy checking account balance to make purchases or cover the monthly fee. Overall, Extra bridges a much-needed gap by providing a safe, reliable way to build your credit simply by living your life, swiping for groceries, ride shares, subscriptions, and bills. It's not the best choice for everyone, but for someone eager to improve their credit without the risks and complications of a credit card, it's a solid option. Just make sure you know what you're paying for and use it responsibly to get the most value out of the experience.